Thanks, Neha, for having me here, and good afternoon, everyone. So for me, communications was not really organic at when I was having my days in MBA, but then I was always inclined towards social sector and the development sector. I was a member of CSR club at that time as well. But in my opinion, communications for development has always been an under prioritized segment of the whole debate. I mean, the careers are not quite organic in a way, the research and the programmatic and the other advocacy job roles are. So for me to find out a way to navigate through the sector and to find a position of communications, I mean, communications has been central to the whole debate since 1.5 years, as we have all seen during the pandemic. But I am talking about the time prior to pandemic, where the digital communications has always been at the backstage of the whole debate. I mean, people, funders, partners, research organization, institutes have always focused on, have not much focused on communication, especially the digital component of it. And we have all seen in the most eminent of the organizations. I mean, our Western counterparts are still evolved, but I mean, in Indian sphere, I can see that it was a bit under prioritized at that time. So for me, I started with Tata Trust. I was the first one from the college who did not opt for the placement. I joined a small NGO in Udaipur. I started working on the ground to understand the nuances of how it works and what are the, because everyone, like all of us, wanted to bring some change in our societies, to have that citizenry relationship with the state and our governance, to form the good governance. So I started with an NGO working in Udaipur on various water issues and sanitation issues. I moved on to Tata Trust, and there I realized while working at the ground that we really need to amplify the voices of our marginalized and poor, cadre of the society. They are unheard. I mean, and I find that for me, in my last couple of years working in various policy organization, I for me, I define communications as how to tell your stories accurately and consistently. This is how I would like to, summarize communications in a single sentence. So I then moved on to CPR. I have realized that being such a great name, still we are yet to learn a lot about communications. A lot of initiatives at that time in CPR were germinating and were getting their communications unit developed and being set up. So I was one of the first one in the CPR to actually motivate the team to look beyond the academic scope and the aspect of the research. So I mean, it has not been easy to convince people who have had a very specific way of looking at things, uh, and also to bring together technology, policy, business all together, and to look beyond that. And I mean, funders and donors have been really helpful here, because the need and the role of communications has been demanded from them as well. That's why the policy advocacy groups as well as the research institutes have been reciprocating to their demands. So, and I have felt that in the governance framework as well, the development communication still needs to, you know, be focused on, because I feel there is less literature on it, and given the dynamic nature of media, I mean, there's always this hesitancy. And I mean, we have seen it in the pandemic, with misinformation, how quickly one can get media validation or the public validation, how quick and dynamic the nature of this entire industry is. Hence, the development sector has been always hesitant about it, but it has been emerging on such a huge scale. I mean, we are all seeing that, we are all witnessing that social media has been a game changer. It has changed lives for forever. So I feel this is a great time to initiate those conversations, to include development communication for good governance, to build state citizenry relationship, to have those mechanisms in place to amplify those voices which are still unheard. We have seen that in migrant crisis, and we are still seeing every day the second wave, how it has been so important. And for organization it becomes a cadence to have those information, to put out the accurate information from all their handles, from all their websites, you know. So I feel